Idike idolophu. It is with great pride and deep sense of gratitude that I stand before you today as we reflect on the remarkable journey of Alice Town from the year 2000 till 2025. Over these past 25 years, we have witnessed significant transformation, and I can confidently say that Alice Town is now a shining example of progress and community resilience in the Eastern Cape. From humble beginnings, we have evolved into a thriving hub. We now have Champs Fried Chicken, providing delicious meals to locals and visitors alike. Our malls have brought a variety of shops and businesses, ensuring that we no longer have to travel far for the goods and services that we need. With 24/7 petrol stations, we have made it easier for everyone to fuel up and go about their daily lives with less hassles. Our banks have become essential partners in fostering financial growth and security. Furthermore, we are incredibly fortunate to have the continued support of students and the academic influence from the institutions such as Forte University and Lovedale College. These institutions bring fresh minds and bright future to our town, contributing to our educational and economical growth. But with this growth comes responsibility. I call on all of us, residents, commuters and businesses, to take collective ownership of the development we have worked so hard to achieve. We have job opportunities that have lifted many from difficult circumstances. These opportunities must be protected, not just for ourselves, but for those in the future generations who will call Alice Town their home. Together we must fight against crime and protect the investment we have made in this community. Let's ensure that Alice Town continues to strive as a safe, vibrant place for everyone. Let's stand united in the face of challenges and remember that when we protect the heart of our town, we protect the future of those who will walk its streets tomorrow. So, let us all continue to build a community of pride, prosperity and peace. Let us all commit to safeguard the fruits of our hard work and ensure that Alice Town remains a place where growth, opportunity and unity are celebrated every single day. Once again, I'm Thulani Mpongoshe, your videographer and photographer. Into enhle iyanconywa. Baseza kubuza ke mkhaya okokuba ngubani omaziyo ofota kakuhle ivideo kunye nefoto. Uncede ulibize igama lam. Ndiqinisekile okokuba neli lizwi uyaliva okokuba lisunda kamnandi inyembezi emehlweni abo. Kungabi sabakho kufa, kungabi sabakhona sijwili, nakukhala nanhlungu, ngokuba izinto zokuqala zigqithile.